New heater core installed. This how it looks. All right now. That's the new one. Time installing it. So I'm gonna go ahead and place the cover. Place the cover back over it. Say use proper coolant or void warranty. So you want to make sure that you're using antifreeze, the appropriate antifreeze or coolant that you use for your vehicle inside of it. If not, you void your warranty. So the cover sits just like this. And it should sit flush. And you take and start putting your screws in, which I had one. I did have one to start with. There's no rush. Now, if you be patient, you can get it. You know what I'm saying? That's about the only thing. You got to be patient when you're working on a vehicle. Because if you don't, you bound to mess up something. Trying to hurry up and get it done. Or either just being anxious. Because, you know, being anxious, that happens to everybody. Someone that's been waiting on that shit to get fixed for so long. You know, that can happen to anybody. Yeah, I know. What got me is that they put a bigger head screw inside of here. So you got to change sockets as you go around. The heater core cover. You got to change sockets. Go ahead and install them. Good. Now these should be able to be hand tight. You know what I mean? You shouldn't have no problem if you hand tighten these. Let's see how many screws we got here. We got exactly 3 more screws we got to go in. Hey!
Leave that man alone. Man, I'm finna call police. call these motherfuckers one more time.
I know this got to be. How many have here?
I called in yesterday. This is my fourth time calling in about a pit. Sitting outside, he's trying to fight people that's walking down the street.
It's not our dog, so.
It's not our dog.
And we're gonna make sure that we notify.
And I have called you guys 4 times, and nobody showed up. We've been all 4 days we have called. This is the 5th day we have been at home, and ain't no dog pound came by our house.
And I'm supposed to be receiving a call.
These folks have not been here. Period. Because if this dog bites somebody, we're not trying to be accountable for it. If this dog bites somebody. Because he's not even our dog. The address is 6664 Imperial Drive. Drive. Imperial Drive. Yes, ma'am. How we know? Didn't nobody come out here because we've been at home. That's how we know.
All the time. Let me see. I know what I want to do. I want to play something over that pipe. So, yeah, I know.